This one, just helping the economy. I just bought a teardrop trailer.
Okay, that's not the right turn lane there.
You want an SUV at a great price?
Turn right on 91st Street Southwest.
Isn't good enough for us. We want your experience to be fun and easy.
Come check out our huge selection of pre-owned SUVs.
Me to move my car, and I'm like, no, dude, I'm not. It's like my spot. Like, show me your drive.
Yeah.
So he called the cops.
What is this complaint?
Yeah, what's the complaint?
And howl.
Yeah, I'd frame it. I'd frame the letter
Yeah.
with a picture of the dog.
Oh, yeah, that's great. That's great.
For 2018 Focus, $91 bi-weekly.
All used vehicles must be liquidated. We'll slash your payments and give you up to $10,000 credit.
The Residence Inn by Marriott Calgary Downtown Beltline District invites you to socialize and connect in stylish spaces. Work, play, eat, explore, unwind. Large
60 minutes, non-stop.
I still feel the same, yeah. Before you move travel to outer space, take a bullet to the heart just to keep.
Oh, really? You're just failing to plan ahead, as usual.
With you, the years just two hearts on a cold street, two hearts on a cold street, two hearts just you and me.
Jesus Christ. That's a stop sign. What are you waiting for? Oh my God. You're just so distracted. This guy's just totally getting in the way. You know you have a stop sign there, right, cyclist? He knows. He just doesn't give a shit.
.com for a free workout.
CKNO
1023.
Now Radio, a division of the Jim Pattison Broadcast Group.
Earning 500 bank in Calgary.
Yeah.
And another one here says this song makes me want to puke a little bit. So yes, it's mixed, but that's fun. Alrighty, traffic-wise today, things are looking pretty good. I don't have
Right on 110 Street Northwest.
This text here, Mars, get you and your educated opinions out of here.
This one, just helping the economy. I just bought a teardrop trailer for $13,000.
What the hell?
Money, what a waste.
This text here says I bought a $53,000 truck because I wanted it. Giddy up.
Yeah.
Oh my
damn
gosh.
right. How about this? $800 on Ariana Grande tickets.
Oh.
Really? Wow.
To let you know when, don't count on me. I'll do it again. Don't count on me. Why won't break me? Start me up and let's begin. I am the wild one, tame now. Running with wolves and I'm on the prowl.
Fucking hell. That's not how it works. Oh my god, you're an idiot.
How many the tracks rings in my bones? I made it here alone. Frame by frame, I feel every moment.
I'm gonna do it on my Wow, that's from Sheldon. That's crazy, dude. And if I can be called an idiot for turning down that $100,000 real estate discount, Sheldon, you could have taken $1,000, but I like the...
I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Running from the Lord to the backfield and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on Friday night.
This sucks. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I mean, if she did run into
Oh,
my vehicle
wow.
and there was a dent, I mean, I think I would try to
Idiot.
work it out with the parent, or that's life,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, you
I
don't...
mean,
Turn left on 87 Avenue Northwest.
In my coffee.